So for lab 4, which is called color vision, I'm going to go over the worksheet and how to use the simulator. So this lab is broken up into 3 parts. So let's start off with part 1. So part 1, you're just going to be playing around with the first part of the simulator, which is this one right here. And for this one, you're just going to be introducing different colors of light or color particles to see what color, when those combine, what it'll make. So the first part is literally, you just get to play with the simulator. All right? Part 2, you're going to use the same simulator, but you're going to have to try and create these colors over here by doing different amounts of the red particles, green, and blue particles. So I did the first one for you, which was red. So you have to try and create red. So of course, I'm going to turn off blue and turn off green, and I can just turn the red on. And then that person is seeing red. And then let's say I needed to create yellow, or let's do white. I would mess around with it. There we go, until you get that color. And then I would record, okay, I have 100% blue, 100% green, 100% red. Let's say if you changed it, these would all be at 50%, then like 25, 0. This is like at a 0. Is that like a 25? All right. So that's all you're going to do for that part. And then the last box, you're going to create your own color. So you can rate what that color is and then put the amounts on each one of those. Part 3, you're going to use the other simulator, which is this one. And this one, you're going to put a filter up in front of the light, and you can change the color of the filter, and you can change the light. You can show it as particles, you can show it as a beam, you can see what color they're seeing. So, what you're going to do for this one is put it on particle, and you're going to change the color of the filter to see which allows the color to go through. All right, and that's all you're going to do for this part. It's just mess with the filter and the color type of the light. And then you're going to record your observations that you notice about when you change, what happens when you change the color of the filter and the color of the light. What were some things that you observed? Make sure those are in complete sentences. I do not do credit if they're just a few words. And then your last question on here, it's really your only question, is how does the interaction of light affect colors seen in the red, green, blue, bulb simulator? All right, so you're going to talk about how the light interacted, what you saw with all the different colors of this lab, okay? Simple enough?